I don't think this car's road legal, has no side mirrors. I ain't doing this shit. Woohoo. Oh, I thought we already went past this hill. This is the hill I was talking about. Okay, I've been here in a while. Gotta love it, man. Bum it! I love that hill so much, man.
You don't feel that fast with the
Maybe. You don't hear the wind as much. I mean, if you crash, you're dead.
Game over.
Yeah, literally.
Maybe if that helmet would survive, you'd be fucking battered.
Yeah. Your body is gonna have to be rehabilitated for a bit.
Yeah. Damn, man. What are you fishing with?
Oh man, where's the sign? It's not on either side, is it? No.
It's like right in the
Yeah. Some jet ski area. Like a little crane here as well. Crane arm.
Yeah, it's so small, but it's probably so strong.
Yeah. Well, imagine this is like this is your lake in front of your house.
Maybe we still have like a, in the very middle of the water, like a dining table. Like a sofa.
You have to swim to it.
Come.
Feels like a resort. Damn. Nice rides. Sludge. There's sludge over there as well.
Got like phobia kind of places. Imagine falling in.
Yeah.
Neutralize the waste tank.
Uh-oh. I should go on that trail. Whoa!
I got a sneaking suspicion there might be a lake up there.
If there's a leg there, I'm actually gonna that was hard, huh?
There'll be a lake. There'll be a lake.
There has to be.
There will be.
Yeah! But why is this so steep? I'm using my bike as like a axe. Oh shit!
Okay. You're disappointed.
Front tire stuck. Okay. Oh fuck.
Yeah, it's fucking rough, man.
Cool. Oh, bro. God damn. Oh yeah. Fuck it up. Wow, what a lake.
It's not a lake, but
Could be, one day.
there might be a little body of water somewhere.
Quarry water. Whoa, that's deep. This is so cool. We're probably riding on earth that was dug out. Ooh. Yeah, it's actually a pretty cool spot. It's very well hidden as well. You almost died on that.
Yeah, bro.
And here?
Yeah, you can go over the second class.
You can laminate somehow flowers with an iron to like paper and it looks really nice.
What is it?
Yeah, of course.
That's mine, man.
I didn't expect you to break after that jump.
Oh, drive it down? Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Can we pitch black?
It's fine. What is this? This is some wizard level tunnel. Whoa!
You can still see the alternator.
What have you got under the hood?
Oh my god, the hood latch is still there.
Damn!
Wow.
Chamber of Secrets. Holy moly.
That's sick. Oh, my first project.
Yeah. Yo, look at the seats.
Oh yeah. Is that potato? It's a sick door though.
You know what you can do with this? You can like hang it on a pub or something. This type of shit in houses looks so cool. In like retro places. I don't know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
You think it'll start?
That's a tricky one. Monsieur, I'm taking you on a drive. Please step in the car. Nice sunroof though. I don't think this car's road legal, has no side mirrors.
I don't think it's MOT worthy.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a front grille.
Yeah, there's no windshield either. That's cool though. She's a beauty.
I think I know what it is. I think it's a Honda. The one with the back.
How'd you know? It's because of the emblem. That's so cool. Bro, if I drop my phone, will you catch it?
So it's got military grade case.
I swear it does. Good.
What do you think is doing for his headlamps?
Grass.
Yeah, grass.
Oh, there's so many helicopters.
Oh, you can still like GTA Heights, bro. Okay, I'll follow down.
That's a good question.
1 or 2?
2.
I'll climb.
It's a nature reserve.
We're gonna have a guy come out. No cycling. The birds are nesting. Isn't that?
Whoa. Holy shit. Yo! Oh my god. Yeah, I can't lie, mate. You won the direction challenge. What the fuck? No way. Oh.
Yeah, easy.
Fuck.
Easy.
I thought I was going over 100%. Yeah, it's racing my heart. Heart is racing. Oh, you're talking about this? Yeah, perdona, Adrian. You're trying to kill us, man.
Oh, this shit's insane.
Bro, that's so slick. There's no grip on this.
That's the point. Wait, we do this and we can do some jump.
Oh, fuck me. Whoa. This is a cool one. This is an easy one compared to the other ones.
Oh, that's a pretty.
Yeah. This is it.
Ah, that's pretty horrendous as well.
No way. That's a drop. If you fuck the drop, you fuck the entire way. Oh my god.
I don't think it's this one. I think it's further on.
I can't lie. I don't think I'm gonna run this. Bro, there is no terrain.
That's the point.
No, bro. This is just a drop, and then you go into a tree, and you can't turn there. There's no grip.
You got this track.
That's not any better.
Oh, that's not bad at all, mate. We're gonna drop. Wait, we're gonna slide down either way. Yeah, that route's a bit far. That does look quite steep, like the lip.
It looks extremely steep. Bro, please survive.
That's a bit sketchy to be fair. What's the worst thing gonna happen?
Good luck, man.
I think it's very slow. I did it!
Whoa. Oh, nah, man. I ain't doing this shit.
Still got some.
Just made it, man. I can touch my fingers.
Yeah. Good shit.